How to fix Wolong Fallen Dynasty graphics settings not saving issue. 1. Tweak the graphics option file for your Wolong Fallen Dynasty game. Hints, 1.1 The graphics option file should be saved at Wolong /save data subfolder. Enter %user profile %\documents /hoitmo /wolong /save data into run. 1.2 Open that file with Windows. Notepad app. 1.3 Set height to the config_type variable. 1.4 Write into custom instead. 1.5 Enable the read-only option for Wolong.exe's properties. Refer to the IMG below. Roger. Note, you may use the browse. Local files to locate that exe file. 2. Run the Wolong.exe on your dedicated GPU. Like this. 3. Disable the integrated GPU. 4. Verify the game files in Steam. 5. Update your GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Uninstall then reinstall the game.